Hi friends, this is Ron here from Autozeel.com. Do you face the issue of bad smell or odor from your car AC? We have launched a new product, Sonax Car AC Cleaner Green Lemon Fragrance. It is very easy to use. In just 15 minutes, your car AC be free of bad smell and odors. You can do it on your own. Let me show it to you how. Start the car. Put the AC on max airspeed. Turn it to absolutely low. And the passenger seat, just push it forward and recline it to forward. We'll be keeping this product behind the seat. And if you have rear AC vents, put them on also. Just put it high and just open this can over here and let's see how it goes. Let's start it. Just keep it over there and close the car. Let the engine keep running. So now let's wait for 15 minutes. So this is it all done. 15 minutes now later on. The car is smelling lemons. Try the Sonax Car AC Cleaner Green Lemon for Rs 729. Get rid of all the bad smells and odor easily. It's available on Autozeel.com for purchase. Try it out and let us know your feedback. Thank you so much.